Hi guys, Mom here for Cooking with Dad. Today we're making Rolo Pretzel Delights, an easy, sweet and salty treat.
You'll need 3 ingredients: mini pretzel twists, Rolo candies, and pecan halves. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees. Place the pretzels on the cookie tray lined with either parchment paper or aluminum foil. Top each pretzel with an unwrapped Rolo candy. Bake 3 to 5 minutes until the Rolo starts to soften but not melt. Top each pretzel with a pecan half and press down slightly. Let cool and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out cookingwithdad.net.